Good morning, students, and welcome back to our class. Today we have another interesting story based on animals written by James Harriot, whose pen name is James Alford, who was a British veterinary surgeon and a writer. Now, this story is extracted from All Creature Great and Small. The incident is narrated by a 17-year student of veterinary college in Montrose Street. Now, which class had he just taken? He had just completed his first class in animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? The science of caring for farm animals. Why was he so excited when he saw a horse? He was excited because his professor had shown him the life-size picture of a horse, but now he was seeing a real horse right in front of him, and he felt he could inspect as an expert. After all, he had just learned that day. What did the speaker do first after seeing the horse? Then what did he do to anger the horse? Initially, this student looked at the horse critically. He looked at it to see if it had any problems, and not finding one, he stepped forward towards the animal and patted it on its neck. This made the horse angry. How did the horse react? The horse got very angry when the speaker touched it. Probably it felt frightened too, especially since the speaker was a stranger. The horse moved downwards and caught the speaker by his shoulders with its strong teeth. Following this, the horse laid back its ears, rolled its eyes, and pulled the speaker off the ground. Now, how did the crowd react to what the horse did? A crowd formed with people looking over each other's shoulders and others fighting at the back to see what was going on. A horrified old lady was crying, "Oh, poor boy, help him!" Some of the braver characters tried at him, but the horse just hung on tighter. How does the speaker end up in the gutter after hanging from the horse's mouth? When the coalman returned, he shouts at the animal. "Drop him," he says. When he got no response, he poked the animal in the belly with his thumb. The horse released him at once, like an obedient dog dropping a bone. He fell on his knee and lay in the gutter. Now, students, hurry up and complete the reference to context given in your book and then come to the grammar section. Today, we are going to study about verbs. So, these are the main verbs. You have already studied about the main verbs. Now we'll study about finite and non-finite verbs. Now students, finite verb always has a subject. It is the main verb in the sentence, and the verb changes according to the tense, the number, one and many, and the pronoun, first person, second person, third person. So this you will understand with the help of these examples. Now students, hurry up and identify the finite and non-finite verbs from these words. Now students, the non-finite verbs do not have a subject and they do not change their form as the finite verbs were changing. And they always have the helping verbs, the auxiliary verbs, the modal verbs in the sentences. And they do not function as a verb, but they function as an adjective, as a noun, as an adverb in a sentence. Students, this chart will help you to recall what you have studied, and now hurry up and do all the book exercise and check the answers with me. Students, read the sample news report and email, and after that attempt the question that is given in your book in your own words. Okay, bye.